if you're looking to get started trading on WeBull, then by the end of the video today, you would have learned how to look up a company's stock, how to buy and sell its stock, how to create a watch list of the companies you're interested in, and how to trade using simulated money on WeBull. If you haven't opened up your WeBull account yet, go ahead and check out the referral link below to claim some free stocks. All right, now let's get started. Once you downloaded the WeBull app, go ahead and pull it up from your phone. Log in for me, and it will take you straight to your watch. To look up a company stock, you're going to want to click in the magnifying glass right next to my watch list. In the search bar, you're going to want to enter in the ticker symbol of the company that you're interested in. For example, Apple would be AAPL. Now, when you click into Apple, you're going to see that it brings you to a page where it shows you the market price and also the graph with the price history of Apple within 1 day through 5 years. Now, there's a lot of cool stuff going on. Now, let's get straight to trading. Now, at the bottom of the taskbar, you're going to see the button that will allow you to trade. Go ahead and click on that. Now, it'll take you to an order page where you can place either a limit order or a market order. Now, here's what a limit order does. Okay, let's say right now Apple is at 136, and you say, you know what, I don't want to buy at 136. I will go ahead, I want to buy at 135. So you can set a limit order for that. You can go ahead and enter in the limit price, you can enter in 135. And you're telling the broker that if the price dropped down to 135 within today, I will buy it. And if within the day it drops down to 135 or below, you will still get that share at $135. You can select how many shares you want in the quantity box, and time in force is how long your order will stay open for, either during the intraday or good to cancel. Now, if you want to find out more about that, you can go ahead and click on the small eye icon right next to time in force, and it'll show you what's going on, what it means to be a day order and what it means to be good to cancel. Another thing I really love about WeBull is that you can set how much you want to take profit. Let's say you buy at 135, you can go ahead and tell them that, you know what, I will take profit if the stock price rises up to 140, and it will automatically sell off your position once it reaches that price. Same thing goes with the stop loss order. Your risk managing, you said if it goes down to a certain amount, I will only take a small amount of loss. So once you set that order in and the price plummet, guess what? The platform is going to sell out that position for you to cut your loss. Once you're ready, you can hit the buy button. It'll take you to a confirmation page. Now, if you want to sell, all you have to do is hit the switch right next to sell. Boom. Right? Same concept to a limit sell order. So when you're selling, you always want to strive for selling above the current market price. Okay? See, right now it's at 136, and I say I want to sell my share at 140. So same concept. You go down. Once you're ready, hit sell. All right, I'll take you to a confirmation page. Hit confirm. You're ready to go. Next up, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about market order. Now, a market order will guarantee a fill immediately, but does not guarantee to fill at the quoted price, because the price will fluctuate each minute. So what you see on the screen may be differently than what you get. You may see 135, but you'll get it at 136, depending on what the current market price is. Okay, so once you're ready, just click buy. Same concept, it's very easy. Now, the advantage of market order is that you always get that share that you want. While for limit order, let's say the price never dropped to 135, then you're risking not being able to get the shares at all, and that's the difference between market and limit order. Next, I'm going to show you how to create your own customized watch list. Next to my watch list, you're going to see the 3 tabs. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that. Down below, you're going to see add list. Click on that. Let's just say I want to create a watch list for the EVs industry. Now it'll take you straight back to my watch list, but hit on the 3 tabs again and go ahead and enter in your EVs. Click the magnifying glass. Now you're going to want to look up for the companies you want to add in the list. And I choose Tesla. Go ahead and click the plus sign right next to Tesla. Now select the EV list that you just added. Now that Tesla's in, you can go ahead and add another company in there. I'll choose NIO. And boom, there you go. You have your own customized watch list. Now, if you feel like you want to take this list away, you don't need it anymore, go ahead and pull up that tab again. Click and manage. And then you can easily delete the list. And now I'm going to show you where you can access so that you can trade using simulated money. Hit the menu button, scroll down. You see paper trading. Go ahead and click in there. Now, if I have taught you how to buy and sell the stock, you should be able to know how to use that application by now. Now, the cool thing about this is if you blow up your account, you can hit the reset button. Now, you can choose whatever amount of money you want to use just to practice your trade. And you can reset it as many times as you want. So whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and click Quick Trade and start playing with your simulated money. Alright guys, so that was the most basic functions you're going to need to know when starting to trade on WeBull. And if you're looking to transfer your funds out of another brokerage account like Robinhood, WeBull will cover up to $100 in your transfer fee if your account has $2,000 or above. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys found something helpful. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and check out the referral link in the description box below. You get 4 free stocks when you make your first deposit. Alright guys, comment down below on what topic you guys would like to see for us to cover next. Smash that like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.